Hello students, myself Captain Ramdas Jamnuke, Assistant Professor in Economics, Mahatma Phule AC College, Parvel. Today we are going to discuss about the Keynesian theory of investment multiplier. Dear students, this theory is given by the F.A. Kahan in the early 1930, but Keynes later developed this theory, and this theory is important in economics. Multiplier is a ratio of the increment in income in the increment in investment. In short, we can say that multiplier means change in investment. What are the changes leads into the national income? That is stated by the multiplier given by the Keynes. Dear students, there are some assumptions of this multiplier theory. Let us discuss about the different type of the assumption. So first assumption is there is a change in autonomous investment and that investment is absent. This is the first assumption. Second, that is the marginal propensity to consume is constant. Means there is a no change in the marginal propensity of the consumer. Third, that is the consumption is a function of current income. Means whatever they consume by the consumer, that is the function of its current income. Fourth, there are no time lags in the multiplier process, and increase, decrease in investment constantly lead to a multiple increase, decrease in the income. Means any change in the investment, that are the changes into the national income. For example, if there is a decrease in the national income, in investment, there may be decrease in the national income. So whether change in investment that leads in the national income. Fourth assumption, that is the new level of investment is maintained steadily for the completion of the multiplier process. There is a net increase in the investment. These are some assumptions. This theory is dependent on the assumption. As far as economy is concerned, dear student, each and every theory is dependent on different type of the assumption. So there are some assumptions which we are going to discuss. Then there is a surplus capacity in the consumer goods industry to meet the increased demand for the consumer good in response to a rise in income following increase in investment. Other resources of the production are also easily available within the economy. Means whatever the resources are present into the economy that are used for the utility purpose. There is an industrialized economy in which multiplier process operate. There is a closed economy unaffected by the foreign influences. It means Keynes has given the closed economy. Closed economy is that economy in which there is no international trade. Means whatever the trade had take place within a countries, there is accelerator effect on consumption and investment is ignored. There is a less than full employment level in the economy. These are some assumptions into the multiplier theory. So now we are going to discuss about the figure of multiplier theory and how the multiplier is working and how it is increased in the national income. Dear student, in the OY axis we have given the saving and investment, and OX axis we have shown the national income. Let us discuss about how the change in the investment are lead the changes into the national income. Look at here, this is the initial investment, that is the OI, but change into the investment and it become I1, and this is the new line which is created by the investment. So this is the change in investment, and this part is smaller than the national income. The smaller change into the investment into the country, how much lead the increase into the national income? The national income is increased more than investment. So this distance is lower than the national income. Y1 is the previous national income, but after the increase into the investment, there is an increase in the national income, and national income become Y2. The previous national income was Y1, and due to the changes into the investment, there is an increase into the national income. This is given by the Keynes in his multiplier theory. So there are some leakages into the multiplier theory. Dear student, leakages, it means that if investment increase, but some points which are affected, whether increase into the investment, there is a no changes into the national income. So what are these points? The first point is the saving. If your income is increased, no doubt, but during increase in your income, increase in investment, but some part of the increase income are saved, so that is not came into the consumption. If that part not come in the consumption, the multiplier will not be work and national income not be increased, which is given by the Keynes. Against second number leakage of the multiplier, that is the purchase of old stock and security. If the people are not consuming their income and they are purchasing the stock of the security, then their income goes toward the expenditure on the stock. Means that income will not come into the economy in the process of the consumption. So that will not affect into the multiplication of the national income. So that is one of the leakage. Again, there is a price inflation. Suppose the price is continuously rise. So that is another impact on the national income, or national income will not be rise. So this is one of the leakage. Then trade cycle. Dear friends, trade cycle means there is always fluctuations into the economic activities. Means recession, then recovery, then prosperity. These are some stage of the trade cycle. So into the economy, trade are never going in the smooth way or the steady growth. So there are again trade cycle. Look at in the figure. This type of the trade cycles are again and again. So it's also impact into the economy, and multiplier will not be work if the trade cycle again and again take place into the economy. Then undistributed profit. Whatever the profit has earned by the different enterprises, that profit must be distributed among the people. Then the money will increase in their hand, and that money will going to the consumption, and once the consumption take place, automatically the national income will be rise. Last, that is the taxation. Dear student, if the people paying more tax to the government, automatically their disposable income will be deducted, and they are not paying or not taking the consumption on their income, because some part of their income are going to the taxation. So this is also impact on national income increasement as per the multiplier is concerned. So there are some criticism in this theory we are going to discuss in some point. The first, timeless phenomena. In this multiplier theory, Keynes has given if the investment is increased, national income will be increased, but how much time that take place into the increase into the national income, he has not given some details about it. So this is the first criticism, that is a timeless phenomena. Then static phenomena. It means nowadays economy is always dynamic. Nothing is static in this world. So, but as far as this multiplier theory, Keynes has given this is a static phenomena. This is one of the criticism in this theory. Again, exclusive emphasis on the consumption. Keynes has given more emphasis on the consumption, but beyond the consumption, there are some points which can be increase the national income. But Keynes has ignored all these points. So this is one of the criticism. They neglect the effect of the induced consumption of investment. There are some point into the economy, government are inspired to the people for the investment. For example, they have given the tax concession. Once they have given the tax concession, the people will attract toward the investment. But this point is also neglected by the Keynes. Again, no empirical evidence. There is no historical empirical evidence in economics that if there is an increase into the investment, there is an increase in the national income. This is just given theory by the Keynes. Again, it is a myth. Some economists point out that whatever the theory has given by the Keynes, this is nothing but the myth. It is depend on the myth. So there is no reality. So this is also some criticism. or there are some leakages. We have already discussed about this. So dear students, this is all about the multiplier theory of the case. Thank you.